Today we're going to show you how to do a cylinder balance test using a Tech 2 scan tool. Once we hook up the scan tool to the vehicle, we're going to enter the vehicle information in by starting by selecting diagnostics. After we select diagnostics, the year of this vehicle is a 2003. It is a Chevy Suburban, so we go to light duty trucks, and then we're going to select powertrain. It is a 6.0 with the U for the engine code. We select that. It is a 4-speed automatic, and it is 8,600 pounds, so we're going to use the equal to. It is a 2-speed active transfer case and with a throttle actuated control. Next, we go into the special functions and we drop down to fuel system because we're going to deactivate each cylinder with the fuel. We select cylinder power balance test and make sure that we set the parking brake. We also have the engine at idle with the AC off to make sure we get the most accurate results. You will see on this display that it's automatically defaulted to cylinder number 1, that is enabled. There are buttons. These 4 buttons will enable, disable, and select an injector on the bottom with these little keys. And as we disable and enable the fuel injector, we're trying to feel for vibration, which would cause the engine to roughly shake as we disable each injector. So we disabled number 1, and then we re-enabled it, and there was a RPM drop with a slight shake. Number 2, disabled, we're shaking. Now it's back to running smooth again. Moving to number 3, disabling, the engine is slightly shaking once again. Then we enable that fuel injector again. Moving to 4, we disable it, and again, the engine slightly shakes. You might feel or see an RPM slightly drop doing this test. Moving to 5, we disable the fuel injector once again, and it is slightly shaking. Moving to enable it again, and then moving to 6, we disable it. The engine shaking, you can see that on the monitor. Moving back to 7, we disable the fuel injector again, slightly shake, and then moving to cylinder 8, disabling is a shake. So all 8 of these created a shake. You can see through the bar graph, the RPM drops down when it is disabled, and enabled, it jumps back up slightly. What this is testing is the efficiency of the engine to make sure that the engine is running mechanically properly along with the fuel system or ignition system working. This is a quick test that you can use. This particular scan tool is a Tech 2. Most aftermarket scan tools have similar features, slightly maybe different names, but you can actually disable and enable the fuel injection system to create that test.